Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In this video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my order using an Asos promo code that I found for new and existing members. Now, this is my second time redeeming an Asos code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on a brand new outfit, and that's including the shoes. Now, I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Alright, so I added 3 things to my bag. Here's what I have in my checkout. I added a pair of Nike Legacies, a white zip-up jacket, and a pair of cargo pants that was originally gonna cost me $132, but after applying the Asos discount code, I'm gonna get all 3 for only $32.90, and that's with free shipping. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Feel the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me 100 credit towards my order. Now, the promo code should work fine as long as Feel the Deals keeps their promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any item, so before I recorded the video, I added a bunch of other items to the checkout, and the Asos coupon worked for each item and applied to them all. Now, you can check out the description of this video for more information on how I went about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you can go watch it step by step. And all that's needed for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Feel the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one. It's not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you a few dollars, or it only works if you're a new sign up. It doesn't cost anything. It'll just take a little bit of your time, around 5 to 10 minutes out your day, but it's worth it when they're giving $100 towards your purchase. So yeah, just check the description for the full tutorial. All you'll want to do is follow along. It should be pretty easy. I was able to get the process done pretty fast earlier when I did it. I literally just typed in the brand that I wanted in the search bar, clicked on it. It had some little details about Asos and some savings tips, but then I just scrolled on down to the coupons and deals section to reveal the discount. I just pressed the show code button, and it had these little hashes meaning that the code was locked, but it's completely fine. I was able to unlock it, and I showed that through the steps in my tutorial. And the process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. They want help with their app ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them, and they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases. And that's how they're able to give these discounts out. So it's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and they give you a completely working Asos promo code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available. Oh, and the promo code only works once. The code that you see in this video can't be redeemed again since I'm going to be using it, but basically after unlocking a code, just go ahead, copy it, and use it on Asos and redeem it for a credit of $100. And this can be done more than just one time, but the process has to be done doing different sponsor apps. If the same ones are done over and over, it won't register with Feel the Deals. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. It's literally just some game tutorials that are hosted by a third party. I was able to get them done within 20 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all, and they reward you with the promo code in the end. Anyway, if you check out the description below, you can watch the full YouTube video on where I found it. It'll show you step by step on how I went about doing this, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.